Hi there, it's Dr. Marvin Firth, and this is Right. This is a really common question that we get asked, and there's a variety of papers and research out there now looking to see why it is that dogs do this. Now, it spans from a variety of different theories. Some say it's an instinctive behaviour, so some eating of grass, maybe a kind of leftover trait from dogs and their wolf ancestors, as some wild canids are known to eat some plant material as, I guess, to an adjunct to the protein and the meat that they might normally get. So in thinking along those lines, it might be just to increase their dietary fibre. And some, like I say, might just seek out some grass whilst they're out on their walk, just to aid digestion and help move some of this food material through their digestive tract. Some, I think, just do it for enjoyment and taste, and certainly Rye will occasionally eat some, I think, just while she's out and about, and quite likes it. And I don't think that it's anything more than just enjoying the taste or the texture, potentially even the smell of the grass. And you might see this even in certain seasons more than others. So potentially maybe more in the spring when there's new grass growth, maybe it's a little bit sweeter for them. Sometimes I think they do it from boredom and anxiety as well. Sometimes maybe a little bit of lack of mental stimulation or a displacement activity as well. And certainly some behaviourists may think that it might be due to that reason. Some people obviously do think that it might be there to make the dog vomit as well when they feel sick. But there are some studies which actually suggest that actually less than 25% of dogs vomit after eating grass, and very few show signs of illness beforehand. So the jury's still a little bit out as to whether, if they feel nauseous, they might eat grass to help them vomit. So again, if there's other signs of, systemic unhealth, poor health, or they're feeling like they're vomiting, or there's diarrhea and things like that as well, maybe speak to your vet about why that might be. It might be an early warning sign if they're doing it and then that's preceded by then following it with vomiting. So again, have a word with your vet to rule out that there's any underlying health conditions as well. So yeah, for most dogs, occasional grass eating, I would say, is fairly normal and not a cause for concern unless accompanied by any signs or symptoms of illness, or if your dog is eating a large amount compulsively, in which case they might be trying to supplement their diet for some reason. Again, if you can, speak to your vet and get some ideas as to why your dog might be changing their behaviour, or if you're concerned that there's an underlying health problem as well. Okay, hope that helps.